Baba? Huh? It does. Is that Kitty's Baba? Oh, get him, Kitty. Get him, Kitty. Yeah, that's our good boy, Kitty.
He's getting mad again.
Yeah.
He's not coming out fast enough for him.
Sooner or later he'll get mad at it. You tell it, Kitty. You tell that bottle I want milk. You tell it, Kitty.
Oh, he's stamping his feet.
Oh, yeah.
Take it away from him just for a second. Oh, he's not going to have a fit.
You tell him, Kitty.
You got Isha talking too.
He talks, she talks right back. She talks, he talks.
I love the way they wag their tails like that. That's too cute.
What? You're almost done. You're almost done. Then what are you gonna do? Well, hear it. Hear it.
It's empty, Kitchy.
It's gone. It's all gone, sweetie.
He's mad. It's gone, Kitchy.
It's all gone. Gone, kids. Nothing in there. You drank it all. Kitty. It's gone. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. It's all gone. Gone, kids. Gone.
What a cute little shit.